Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple Pay to fund a crypto exchange account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have an active Apple Pay account set up on your device. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, locate and tap the plus icon to add a new payment method if needed. Follow the prompts to add your credit or debit card details. Once your card is added, return to the home screen. Now, open your preferred crypto exchange app or website. If you don't have an account yet, create a new one by providing your email and setting a password. After creating your account, log into the navigate to the funding or deposit section of the exchange. Select Apple Pay as your payment method. The exchange will prompt you to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Review the transaction details carefully. Once confirmed, tap on the Apple Pay button to proceed. A new screen should pop up, displaying your Apple Pay information. Authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After successful authentication, the funds will be processed. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit is complete. Finally, check your account balance on the crypto exchange to ensure the funds are available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.